Hey guys, welcome to another video at Sweevel's Garage. This episode is about my 23 Raptor R. If you have a 23 Raptor R, this is, in my opinion, the one cosmetic mod you have to do. I don't know why, it's the best thing that I've seen come out after. So you guys will eventually see what I'm talking about, but first let's go around my R and I'll explain to you why I like the 23 the most out of the 3 years that they made them so far. For one, it's super windy out, so I'm in my garage, but a lot of you guys don't like that I powder coated the bead rings orange. It's just something that I like. It kind of brings out more with the R and the graphics in the front, I guess. I like how it looks. I didn't when I first bolted them on, but after I stood back, I kind of liked it. It looks like a Baja, like I don't care kind of look. And I color matched it, so I needed it to stick out a little bit more. But anyways, why I like the 23 Raptor R is it's a 1 year only truck. It's the last year of this body style, and it's an R. And the 24s and 25s, in my personal opinion, look like a Toyota. And I don't really like the boxy look, I guess. And I'm huge on graphics. I still have my Gen 1 out there, and I like how the graphics go onto the door like they first came out. And a lot of you guys always hate on the 8s. But if you stand back, it looks like desert, like broken up ground, dried out ground with cracks. And I really think it's funny that Ford threw the 8s in there, kind of like mocking us for begging to bring the V8 back. So it's kind of like a corny joke. And I think that's funny. So a lot of you guys already know that they put the V8 in there. But I don't know. I just like the 23s the most. But after I show you guys what I'm doing to this in this video, I'll explain to you why I'm doing that and what else I'm going to be doing to this truck for cosmetic looks. Well guys, just pulling up to my Ford dealer. My buddy that works in parts says that he got the part number this time after we ordered it and it was the wrong one. And let's go in there and see if he'll order it. It's over $900, but it's just something I can't live without, you know. So we're gonna go get this thing ordered and hopefully it comes in as the right part this time. So let's go get it ordered. Well guys, just left, got my parts for this insurance job I'm working on, and he found the part number again. Obviously I don't have a VIN because I have a 23 and this part is only on the 24s. And I was gonna wait till it got down in price a little bit because like I said, my cost, which I get wholesale, is $900. Retail $1,200, and I was gonna let them go down in price, but 25 they didn't put it in there. So I kind of thought about it the last few weeks. I was like, screw it, I better get one in. And he found the part number, looked it up, one left in the nation, and it shows that they're not gonna remake them. So I was like, get that thing ordered today, please. And it's in Michigan. We just put the order in. He said he's going to call to verify that the order does get in since there's only one. And hopefully in a couple days here I get it. Oh man, I hope I get it. To some of you guys it might be stupid, but I think it's cool. So let's see if it comes in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, Ford called and said it's in. And instead of wasting my time going there for nothing like last couple times, 2 or 3 times, I had him open it and he said it says whatever on the side of it. So I know it's the right one. Let's go get it and I'll finally show you what I'm talking about because you guys probably don't know. Some of you might, now that I just said that. But I'm excited. We're taking the 84 baby and we're going to go get this thing. So it's beautiful out. Let's go get it and check it out. Just pulling up to Ford, guys. I want to see if there's something in there that was in there yesterday, and it is. We're going to try to look at that. Golf Edition Ford GT over there. We're going to see if they let us see it quick. No, that thing got to be sick. Here it is, boys. Look at that. This price, $1,200. Hold on. $1,200, mine's $863. Crazy. Let's go open it. I don't want to walk in there. It's a customer's car, so pretty damn sexy. Golf Edition. So There's just something about getting the last part in the United States that you've been looking for and driving your GT350 to get it on a Friday. Beautiful weather out. Just seen a Golf Ford GT. Just a good weekend. Guys, here it is. I didn't stop and get the pickup, so we'll have to do when we get home. And it's gonna be a long day now that I'm waiting. Wow, it's literally just the cushion. Not even the whole thing. If it wasn't on, I did wrap this thing good. Wow, that's it. There it is. That is the mod everyone needs. Wow, it's only on one side. I didn't know that. Huh. That little thing. It's about the details, right? Sexy. Well, guys, we made it home. I've been super excited, but then I kind of felt really sick last night, so I actually waited till the next day, which was super hard. I have it right here. And for you guys that want to try to do this, they might make more, who knows? They just told me that it was the last one at my Ford. This is the part number that you guys need to look for. Showed you guys the price. If you guys are like me and don't care what stuff costs, as long as you get your vehicle the way that you want it. Obviously, us car guys spend stupid money to make anything that we have look the way we want. Prime example. But anyways, here's what a 23 Raptor R looks like. You walk in, it's got a little bit of orange. I love the 24's interior way more than a 23. I like the body of the 23, but the interior of the 24, they killed it. I love how they put the orange underneath the black. So I'm gonna be doing the covers also. I don't really like the R in the steering wheel. I'd rather just have my R orange. So I might have somebody make a sticker. I'm gonna eventually do this because I like the orange stitching on that. I know it's something stupid small, but here is the biggest thing. See how the 23's black stitching, they do have the R, but they have no design on the side. So when you get in and see that V8, it's just one more thing to match the stickers. That's kind of Ford being like, here's your V8, buddy. So I don't know, it might just be me, I might just be weird, but I can't wait to get this thing in. So let's get to rolling on this project. I have never done this, so we're trying to take this top off. I have the new one here to compare. I can see that there's going to be some clips holding it on, 3 on each side, but these to me look like screws. And I don't want to break that because even this one is $600 from Ford. So I'm going to go slow on this. Once I get it off, I'll kind of show you guys what you have to do. All right, I think I figured it out. I used a screwdriver and one of these to, you pry in the corner and you get these things slowly to come out. You can see those 3 clips I was talking about. So now I'm going to do the other side. Once we get this off, I'll show you what the next step is. I'm going super slow. I'm so scared. Just like that, guys, got it off. It's super flimsy, so go super slow and only pry on the sides. Now we got to figure out how to get the actual top off, which there's a ton of screws in here, as you can see. But I think it's only these 4, and then we can pull the top off, and then we'll unscrew the rest. But I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unscrew. There might be 6. I'm going to unscrew these and see where that goes. Just like I figured, those 4 screws I showed you, I have them down there. They are Torx 20. Comes right out, and then you got this. And now I'm going to take it out, and we're going to take the other 4 out, and this will come off. We got to transfer that to the new one, and then once we do that, put it back together. So let's take this over here. I'm going to show you guys how they compare to what the 23s are. So here's the 23, all black except the R, and then here's the 24 with the V8. As you can see how much cooler it looks now that they're side by side, and see how it goes away and then it comes back. It's really neat. So I don't know, it's something that's kind of like a hidden Easter egg, just like the stickers, which I don't know, I'm just a sucker for it. and I love the accents. So as you can see side by side, no brainer which one's cooler. So let's get this stuff transferred and get it in. Holy cow, guys, it looks better than I thought it was gonna, no lie. Like, I got it in, and I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of scared that certain lightings you couldn't see it, and I thought it'd be too dark in my truck to see it. I got all both down, I flipped it back down, and I was just all smile. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at that, boys. Man, it looks so cool in there. I know it's little, but the little things that keep adding up, you do a little here, a little there, and it just changes everything drastically. It looks so much better. Now I got the orange stitching on the seats with that. Before it's kind of all blacked out. And like I said, this will be next. We're gonna kind of make this thing almost the 24 interior. Maybe to do the steering wheel someday. I don't know. I do kind of like how this just says Raptor. If that was orange on the R, I'd like that better than just the R. But the console lid is the best thing that they ever did. I don't know why. I'm just obsessed with the V8 logos. And like I took a video before, you get in it now and right there in your face. Just cool as shit. So that is the one cosmetic mod that you have to do to your 23 Raptor R if they make more of them, or if you find one that's out of a wreck 24 or whatever. So you guys are the 24R if you're watching. I'm jealous of your interior. If you guys ever do cat skin covers, hit me up. I'll buy yours because like I said, I like the orange under the black. And I'll find them eventually. It just takes time. These trucks are pretty new yet. So, but I did get the one piece I've been trying to get for months. And the first time I seen a picture of that, I knew I had to have it. I thought it was on both sides, but I guess not. It's just the driver's side. So I don't know, it's pretty neat. So thanks for watching. Like always, like and subscribe, share to your buddies, and let me know what you guys think. If it was a waste of money or you think that it added that much flavor. All right, before we end this video, I need to clear something up. I thought that was a 1 year only thing, as on the Raptor form, on the Raptor R form, a guy showed a 2025 interior and it was very basic. But that was a V6 that I just learned, because there's a few 25s on YouTube videos and they are the same interior as a 24. So I apologize. This thing will most likely be remade and you could probably get one, but like anything rare, you got to get it while it's there, because if you sleep on it, they're gone. So I don't regret jumping on it. I got it done. It is what it is. Worst case, they'll go down $100 maybe, or they'll go up. I don't know. But it's not just the 24s. It's probably 24 and on, but it is what it is. But another thing, let me show you one more thing that I don't like how they did the 23s. Another thing on the 23 that I don't like how they did, which is what they did on the 2010 and 11 too. See the Raptor on the seats? The front ones have it, and then the back ones don't. Really bothers me. And they, like I said, they did the same thing on the 2010 and 2011 Raptors and the Gen 1s, where the first couple years they didn't do that, and then they switched it. So the 24 and 25s, they have Raptor R in all four of the seats. So once we find a set of covers, we'll be getting them swapped out, and it'll make me happy. I'll have the body style I like with the interior I like. And that's going to do it for the video now, guys. I'm sorry, I just had to clear that up because I know you guys are going to hit me in the comments with it. So thanks. And now the video is for sure done.